Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn two very useful Spring JPA methods, existsBy and countBy. These are super handy when you just want to check if a record exists or count how many records match a condition, without writing any custom query. See, Spring JPA already provides multiple existsBy methods, and they're super easy to use. These methods return a boolean, true if the record exists, and false if it doesn't. And just like our findBy methods, we can also define custom existsBy methods using the same naming pattern. Okay, let's define our custom method right here to check whether an employee with a given name exists in the table. And that's it, our method is ready. Now this will automatically check if an employee with a given name exists in the database. If the record is found, it'll return true, and if not, it'll return false. Let's quickly create a REST API for this one. If the employee exists, we'll return exists. Otherwise, we'll return not exists. Let's start the application. Alright, as you can see on my screen, Alice is already present in the database. Now, let's quickly hit our API and check if Spring JPA correctly tells us she exists or not. See, our API also returned exists. Now let's try with a name that doesn't exist, like Alice1. And there you go, it returned not exits. See the console logs here. Spring JPA automatically ran the SQL query for us and handled everything internally. It simply returns a boolean, true if the employee exists, or false if not. Now see, Spring JPA also provides another super useful method, countBy. It works exactly like findBy or existsBy, but instead of returning a boolean or list, it gives you the number of matching records for that condition. So basically, you get the count directly. Alright. Now we're going to create our custom method that returns the number of employees with a specific name. And that's it. Alright, let's quickly create a REST API for this. Let's start the application. Alright, as you can see on my screen, my table currently has 6 records for Pankaj Kumar. I'm going to hit the API with employee name equals Pankaj Kumar. And there it is. The API returns 6, which perfectly matches the number of records in my table for Pankaj Kumar. Now, take a look at the console logs. See that? Spring JPA automatically generated and executed the count query for us. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We learned how to use existsBy and countBy in Spring Data JPA, super simple and super powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what topic you want next. See you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.